Christmas is a season of forgiveness because it's towards the end of the year. So I hope that this song could help us move on to a better year next year and leave our past behind. This is the Christmas song. Hope you guys enjoy. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimo. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe, how to make the season bright. Tiny thoughts with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loading lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child it's gonna sigh to see if reindeers really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Though it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas for you. Merry Christmas to all of you.